Click on the subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel, and also click on this bell icon to get all notifications on your mail.
Hi friends, in this video I'm going to explain surface sweep. Already explained the solid sweep in my previous tutorial. This is the surface sweep I want to explain in this tutorial. And go on to the home, you can observe on this palette you can observe the sweep operations, and let's get started. And you can observe the visualize and go on to the any of the plane as you wish. You can develop the any of the object on this planes and go on to the visualize on the visual styles. I'm selecting the 2D wireframe and the southwest isometric view. After that, go on to the command prompt. I'm creating the one of the object to explaining the drawing, and spline enter by using the spline operation SPLN spline and click on enter. You can observe the specify the first point and the next point where you want to create the spline. Like this, you can create the different types of spline objects and click on 3 times enter, then it will disappears. Then you can observe the I'm selecting the right plane. I want to develop the object on the end of that by using the circle operations. Any of the dimensions as your wish. It should be small. If you take large diameters of any of the radius or diameter, it does not form the proper sweep. And go on to the again I'm changing the view to front view or back. I'm selecting this back and I want to draw this on the circle like this, and go on to the again southwest isometric. I will choose you this is the circle is created. Again I'm giving the sweep command and select the mode and select the surface. After that, select the object where you want to sweep the object and select this object and click on enter option, and it asks the select the sweep path. I am selecting the sweep. Here I am selecting the surface sweep, then only the halo shape is created. You can observe. You can use by using the shell operation also. By using the thickness, you can remove the material by using the solid surface. This is the one of the model is created. Actually I created the inclined circle. See the proper pipe of drawing is created. You can observe that this is the 3D modeling of the spline and the circle by using the surface mode on the sweep. And go on to the again I am giving the one of the object. These are different types of operations: alignment, scale and twist. I will explain all of the features in this tutorial. Go on to the spline operation SPLN spline and click on enter. You can give the any of the spline like this to drag the mouse like this and click on the anywhere you point and go on to the plane. I am selecting the front view here or here and click on that. It will appears the front view. I want to change the view to back. You can observe this is the back view. I want to develop this circle on the bottom, and again southwest isometric. You can observe the one of the circle is created. I am deleting that. Simply go on to the top of the plane and draw the any of the circle of any of the dimensions and southwest isometric. See, this type of circle is required. I want to develop the model and go on to the sweep operations and click on the select object. I want to copy this object before want to sweep. I will explain with the 2 operations by using the align S and no. See this and go on to the sweep object and click on enter and select the objects and select the mode surface and the alignment S and click on the sweep path. You can observe the unable to sweep is observing. I will show the difference between that. And sweep the select object and the sweep the select mode and the solid surface and select that and select the sweep path again. And the align, I am clicking the no option. You can observe by clicking on the no it is created. By clicking on the S is not created. Already explained S or no of the alignment in my previous tutorial. Watch the previous tutorial in detail. This is a surface model. By using this it is created like this. For some of the objects it not created. You can observe the circle is not created on the alignment by clicking on the S option. Once check my previous tutorials of the alignment operations on the sweep solid operations. Again I'm giving the sweep. Again I'm testing that you can see the surface mode and select the mode and select the object. You can observe the base point and select the sweep. You can observe the base point. After that you can develop by using the base point and the alignment to develop the models like this. I will explain with the twist and some of the operation. Again, I'm giving the sweep enter and select the mode surface, and I'm selecting the scale and selecting the scale factor to 0.5 and click on the select path, and can observe the difference between the two objects by using the scale operations on the sweep. Surface operations are solid. You can change the somewhat of the size is changed. It is small on the one other end and it is large on the other end. You can observe the two difference between the two pipes. Again, I'm doing the same spline object like this and go on to the any of the plane as you wish you want to develop the object. According with the planes the object is created. Select the plane properly by using the creating the models, and I'm giving the polygon over here. The circles are created. You can observe I'm creating the polygon sides, 6 sides I'm giving. Inscribe the circle and the radius of the circle. I am mentioning all of the dimensions. You can observe the southwest isometric. You can observe the one of the polygon is created on the spline on the other end, and click on the sweep object and click on the mode and click on the surface. You can observe that. Select the object and go into the twist and select the twist. The angle is 1800. I am giving 360 into 5, for example 1800, and the base align base point and the scale twist is selecting the twist and select the path. You can observe by using the twisted objects you can create the rope pipes, like halo pipes, like different types of twist you can create by using this twist operation. This is very helpful in sweep command. You can observe by using the 3D F orbit. I am revolving all of the objects to the halo shape to show the halos shape of that. Inside you can observe what is the shape you can obtain by using these operations. I will show you by using the line enter. You can observe the line, and one of the line is created. Again, I want to create the one of the rectangle over here and go into the plane and change the plane according with the what you want to create. See, one of the point is created. This is the vertical line and point. On that I am giving the rectangle on the top of the plane. Again, I am going to the southwest isometric. You can observe the rectangle is created on the bottom. Simply move the object by using the move command and select the center point and trace it and intersect with the end point of the vertical line. See, this is looking nice, and the rectangle and the line is created. You can observe by using the sweep operations and select the mode over here surface and select the object over here and click on the twist object and give the expression and the sweep path and 1800 and select the plane. You can observe by using the sweep angle of the, you can observe the sweep is created. You can observe the inside the halo shape is there, nothing but this is the surface model I'm creating by using the sweep objects. You can observe that. I will show you in zoom by using the 3D F orbit. You can observe this one of the pipe like this is there. By using this you threaded like you can observe the inside different shape is created as compared with the outside. This is the basic tutorial for the beginners of the surface sweep command. Already explained the solid surface command in my previous tutorial. Once check out my previous tutorial also in detail. I explained all of the features what are available in the sweep. This is the surface sweep in AutoCAD 2016. These are the new features available in 2016 software.